6 months, 48 subscribers, 30 videos, 30 shorts, 6,000 views. Let's be real, it's not the explosive start I was hoping for. But you know what? I'm not quitting because this journey has been about so much more than just the numbers. When I uploaded my first video, I had no idea what I was doing. No fancy equipment, no editing experience, just me, my phone, and a ton of determination. 6 months later, I have learned so much more. And not just about YouTube, but about myself. From figuring out how to set up my audio or video aspects to actually enjoying editing, the process has been a roller coaster. My videos are getting better, my shorts are punchier, and now I'm even starting to like my own voice. Isn't it crazy, right? Now let's talk numbers because they don't lie. 6,000 views over 30 videos and 30 shorts means I'm averaging 100 views per upload. It's not viral by any stretch, but you know what? Every single one of those views means someone out there clicked on my content. Someone listened to what I had said. And that matters. The real win would be connecting with real people, seeing their comments like, "This helped me understand taxes," or "I needed this budgeting tip today." That will keep me going. It would be a proof that the work I am putting in is making an impact, even if it's a small one. Yes, I'm not happy with my performance so far, but let me tell you something. YouTube is a marathon, not a sprint. Every successful creator I admired started where I am right now, uploading, learning, and growing along the way. So if you are feeling stuck like I am, remember this: consistency beats quitting every time. I just watched Ali Abdal's workshop on 5 C's for YouTube growth. It was informative. Good news is, I already gone through the courage and consistency as I am doing YouTube since June this year. It's almost 6 months, so now I am trying to figure out the content quality. I know my contents are educational, but working hard to make them clickable, make them the audience watch and get some value. Probably I need to put some extra effort and personality. Other two C's like clarity and cash comes later on as I'm just struggling to grow the channel. Thanks Ali Abdal for sharing valuable contents, although I have not yet joined Part-Time YouTubers Academy. But one thing is clear for sure, I have come too far to stop now. The confidence I have gained, the skills I have learned, it's all part of the journey. And I truly believe that if I keep going, things will click. Maybe not today, maybe not tomorrow, but eventually. So there is the deal. I'm doubling down. More videos, more shorts, more learning. If you are on a similar journey, let's do this together. Hit that subscribe button, follow along, and let's turn these small wins into something big in 2025. It's going to be our year,